Good morning. Happy Monday for this 2-day week of Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Just a couple things I wanted to go over real quick before I post today's assignment. Just wanted to review last week's assignment, the pre-writing for the personal narrative essay. It was on there all week, so make sure you get that done. We had quite a few turned in before Friday, a couple this weekend. The rest of those need turned in as soon as possible here so we can get those grades in progress book. Um, so remember, make sure you pick your three topics. You're only going to choose to write about one. No big deal. Describe that setting. Where, when, and where it took place. Any people in the story, describe them. The map out the event. I think there's 8 boxes here. Put eight events in order that would have happened. And here's the thing: even if it was only an event that happened within an hour, you can write 8 events that happened within that hour. You want to be as detailed as possible in your writing. Uh, get down to the drafting, the last page of your pre-write. Think of a title. Write your opening paragraph. Think of a hook or some type of attention getter to get the reader's attention to start. The body paragraphs we're not going to see. We're going to trust you on that one. So hopefully you write those out on your own. And then you'll have your conclusion, which is at the bottom. Um, Once you're done with that, I'm going to post this here today. It'll be on there this morning. Your personal narrative final copy. So technically, this will be your rough draft and your final copy. So a couple things you need to change on this. Wherever you see the brackets is where you need to put info in. So, for instance, the heading is here. You don't need to change the heading format. Don't need to change the font size, the font type. It's already double spaced. That's part of your grade. So do not change that so you don't lose those points. You'll put your name where that, you'll delete this. You can delete it and then type your name on there. English 9, everybody's in English 9. 10th of December is when the paper's due. A lot of people don't know MLA format. You want to go day, month, year. That's the natural progression of order. Your class period, so it would be first period, second period, third period, or fourth period. Title, what's the title of your essay? And then begin your essay here. Remember, make sure you tab to indent for your each paragraph. Should be 5 paragraphs. This is what you will use to type. When you're done, you'll submit it. Again, if you have any questions, I'll be available all those 3 weeks after Thanksgiving break to help you out, where hopefully we get a chance to proofread these before you submit them. Remember, Miss Ackerman, your student teacher, will be available some days, and then Mrs. Bishop will be available periods 1, 2, 3, 4 on some days as well. Last thing, that we are going to do some Google Meets after Thanksgiving break, probably on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The expectation is that you log on and check in with the Google Meet. That'll be part of your participation grade for the 9 weeks. So each day that you do not log in, you'll lose a half a point for your participation. Remember, participation is 10% of your 9 weeks grade, and you already have the 10 points. So if you log in every time we have a Google Meet, you won't lose any points. But if you do not, and make sure we understand things happen. Make sure you email myself or one of the other two prior to the Google Meet that you're unable to get on and with a valid excuse. So again, if you have any questions, email us. We'll try to have GoGuardian up as much as we can to help you out if you have any questions there. And if I don't talk to everybody, I hope you have a good holiday weekend and look forward to talking to everybody on Tuesday next week.